Okay, my name is Samuel Bernard, coming from France, from the Institute of Research on Ceramics in Limoges. So this institute belongs to CNRS, so I am Director of Research at CNRS and also to the University of Limoges. So currently my research activity is focused on polymer-derived ceramics through three thematics: fibers and matrix. So this is the topic of the PIRE project, nanocomposite and porous components. Okay, so one of the objectives of this workshop is to improve our understanding on the design of polymer-derived ceramic fibers, but also to be in touch with companies, with industrial partners in order to develop our materials at industrial scale. Okay, so there are a lot of challenges on this polymer-derived ceramics. I would say one of the main targets is to develop such materials for energy-related fields, and I am sure that there is a lot of potential for these materials as catalytic support or as electrode materials to be used in fuel cell or in supercapacitor, but also in the future engines for aeroplane, for example.